Welcome to the Subaru media presentation at this 89th Geneva International Motor Show.
Dynamic and solid is a philosophy that expresses enjoyment and peace of mind with Viziv concept cars. This philosophy has been evolving and getting more sophisticated. SUBARU VIZIV Adrenaline Concept we have here today is the first vehicle designed under the bolder design concept. Please take a look. Viziv Adrenaline Concept is the brand new sports vehicle concept from Subaru. Boulder is not a complete redesign. The design which makes you want to go out, challenge something new at the ground. That is the design we Subaru aim for the future. Please keep your eyes on Subaru design and don't miss what Subaru has to offer in the future.